Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking Today. Dulabic here. So in this episode we're going to talk about an awesome telephoto lens from the 1970s for about $30 to $40. Stay tuned. This is the Konica Hexanon 135mm f3.5 telephoto lens. This is a manual vintage lens from the 1970s. On the lens itself, you will find an aperture and a focus ring. The minimum focusing distance is about 1.5 meters. In my case, I have a micro four thirds adapter attached to it so that I can use it with my micro four thirds cameras. Let's take a look at some examples. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, this is a pretty sweet lens that you can get for about $30 to $40, which that's a pretty good price. If you are a micro four thirds user like myself, you are going to need an adapter, so keep that in mind. That's another 10-15 bucks or so, right? So still not too bad. Also, another cool thing, this 135mm lens on a micro four thirds system becomes a 270mm. So if you want to have a telephoto lens, I mean that's a pretty nice focal range right there, and you're gonna have a lot of fun. When it comes to softness, when it's wide open at 3.5, it's not bad. It's still a little soft. So if you're doing landscape, you might want to go to 5.6, or if you go to 8, that's even better, right? Now if you have an object in focus, it'll be fine. But if you just want to do a landscape, definitely go to 5.6 or 8, and it's going to be great. You're not going to regret it for sure. So yeah, you're going to get that vintage look that we all love these days, right? And like I said, sharpness still good if you keep these things in mind. And all in all, you're going to have a lot of fun with this thing for sure. So that's it, guys. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.